think installing a mixer basin faucet is complicated? It's actually a quick DIY job you can finish in minutes. Let's get it done step by step. Step 1. Get everything ready. Open the box and lay out all the parts so nothing is missing. You'll only need 2 tools, a screwdriver and an adjustable wrench. Step 2. Fix the faucet in place. Take the faucet and locate the hex bolt and hex nut. Tighten the hex bolt first, then lock it in by tightening the hex nut. This keeps the faucet stable and secure. Step 3. Set up the hoses. Now, arrange the water supply hoses. Red is for hot water. Blue is for cold. Keep them straight and untangled to avoid any installation issues. Step 4. Add washers and mount the faucet. Start with the brass washer. Then place the rubber washer on top. This order is important to prevent leaks. Insert the faucet into the basin hole. From underneath, add the flat washer and thread on the hex nut. Hand tighten first, then use your wrench to secure it firmly. Step 5. Connect the water supply. Attach the red hose to the hot water line and the blue hose to the cold water line. Tighten both connections properly so there are no leaks. Final step. Turn on and test. Turn on the water supply and test the faucet. You'll get cold water in the center position and hot water when you turn the handle. Check all connections. If everything is dry, you're all set. That's it. Your mixer basin faucet is installed and ready to use. Your faucet should now be working like new. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of my DIY plumbing tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day.